Well, hello there. So my name is EJ, and this is eCamp.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah. I'm from Toulouse, from France.
My name is Dan. Hi, my name is Joel. Both came from Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Woo!
My name is Goni. I'm from Mazkeret Batya, Israel.
You're gonna have so much fun, even more than you're thinking right now, because eCamp is more awesome than you think. The workshops are amazing. If you like robots, if you like games, the swimming pool, oh yeah, and anything you can think of, you can do right here.
I'm so excited to be at eCamp. I can't wait for you to get here. We're preparing everything for you to have as much fun as possible. So please, please, please come quickly. We can't wait to meet you.